and I look forward to our workshop next week, which is an open workshop with the Taupo Times, and perhaps we could somebody else too, so we can get our messages out.
Your Worship.
Sorry, Councillor.
Andrew, because that's a building site, what arrangements do we have to make to visit?
Well, first of all, you'll have to be inducted onto the site with regards to health and safety. So the contractor will do that before you enter site for the first time. They have PPE, hard hats, high-vis vests for visitors. And I would expect Gary and or myself to come round with you.
Oh, definitely.
And I would also suggest that if there's I know this can be changed, a common time, date during the week, time, whatever, that you want to visit, we can set that up so that we know you're coming. That doesn't mean nothing's going to be hidden. And I would encourage all the councillors to come to site as and when they want to. I'm trying to foster something that was on site now that's completely different than 10 years ago. Nothing's hidden, everything's transparent. Ask as many questions, and might even ask Mr. Hoadley, you never know.
Ms McLeod's just trying to write out a little bit of a resolution here to formalise Councillor Craig, Councillor Hickling and Councillor Nicola Williams to our working party. So I'll just wait for her to do that and take a question from Councillor Williams.
In the meantime, I'd just like to ask Mr. Bowden a question regarding the indoor pool. Do you have a expected completion date for that facility for the work?
I would expect it to be completed before the end of next year.
End of next year.
The reason why I'm not giving you an exact date is I can only really give you an exact date when the contractor's priced it and given me his programme. Such as previously, it was going to be, I imagine it was going to be 9 months for the indoor 25 metre pool. They've said 7 months. We'll finish it by the end of February. So that's 2 months early, which I think is great. So let's say they're finished by the end of February and there's a month hiatus just to rejig for the next one. That would then start beginning of, let's say, April, and that could be 8 months. So I would see, hopefully, before the end of next year. All right?
Yeah. Great, thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Bowden. We do still have a resolution getting prepared here for our working party, but I'm sure you're fine? Okay. So we'll move then to, thank you, Mr. Bowden. Thank you very much.